Just took a westbound turn on westbound Burton from Division. Not in pursuit. It's a motorcycle with a unknown male driver, black coat.
Yeah, 333, we got eyes on him. Coming up to Buchanan, he'll be southbound. Eastbound Plaster Creek. Nope. Back southbound. He's on the sidewalk, east side of the road, southbound. Coming up to the tracks, and he's going off-road on a trail between Plaster Creek and the railroad tracks, eastbound, south side of the river. If you get all the way to the dead end of Kenosha, that trail picks up and it'll wrap around to the right. He's going to be coming right to you. Yeah, now he's running with the bike back westbound on that trail. And he's up and rolling again. He's going to be coming back out to where he turned in.
Patrol car coming south, stop.
Yeah, right there. All right, he's just hit the side of a car. Now he's running eastbound. He just tripped. He's laying down about 30 yards off the road and back up and running eastbound again. All right, on that trail, he's headed back towards Kenosha and just turned southbound. He's sitting down now.
12:15, we're addressing him. He's compliant. Did block out Plaster Creek. You're gonna have to come in from Kenosha.
I'm with the bike. Just pulling another number for next time.
12:15 is in custody.